Well done.
Hold on, Waka. What? Waka.
Sir?
You know, aside the fact that I pay you for this job, you amaze me. You do this job so well. I just admire how passionate you are about the job.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, that reminds me.
Sir?
Your boyfriend.
Yes, sir.
I heard you talking to him the other day.
Yes, sir.
What does he do? If you don't mind me asking, of course.
Na carpenter he be. But he no be that kind carpenter like that.
Oh.
He dey patch zinc. He dey patch door. He dey make bench. He do kuji. Small.
Oh, I see.
Yes, sir.
So he's into carpentry business, but he's not professional yet.
Exactly, sir.
He's still local.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
The work not too strong like that.
That's too strong.
Yeah. That's why we never marry, because money not too dey grand.
Money not too grand.
Yes, sir.
I see. Interesting.
Yes.
So what about you? Do you have any dreams? You know, what do you want to do with your life?
Yes, sir. I get dream. Oh. Get very big dream.
Okay.
Yes. When me and you came marry like this,
Yeah.
I go open mama put.
Oh.
Yes.
Interesting. You mean like a restaurant? Food business? You want to go into a food business?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Yes.
That's really good.
Thank you,
That's a good idea.
Thank you.
Wow. Exactly. What?
Hey!
Mama?
Your mom? Good evening, ma.
What in the name of prostitution is going on here?
Mama, what are you doing here?
No wonder you have refused to come to the village to pick your wife. This is what you have been doing in the city. This is the nonsense you are doing here.
What?
Wife?
Wife? Which wife?
Hey! Hey! My daughter-in-law, don't be annoyed. Come and sit down.
Okay, ma.
Come and sit down.
Mama, what is going on?
If I remember correctly, when I came to the village, I made it clear to you that I am not marrying this girl.
Ha! You said that you were coming, that I should wait, that you are coming very soon. That you will come last month. We waited, we did not see your brake lights. And meanwhile, we were afraid that our people are going to take a bride price from another person. Because your uncle had to take in our village. So your uncle had to go and do the needful.
What? What needful are you talking about, Mama? Mama, I'm asking you, what needful are you? Mama, don't tell... You actually went to take Kolano to this...
Nwake go, sir. Nwaka for short.
Unbelievable. Can you imagine? Me, sir. Mama, there is no way in heaven and hell that I'm getting married to this local and primitive girl who calls me sir. Who does that? Do I look like sir to you? How do we even communicate?
You can brush her up. No. Once you love somebody, you brush the person up to your level.
Mama, no.
This girl is the best girl in our village. No. Everybody is after her and her family to take price. There is nothing. She's not going.
Mama, not to me. Mama, no, I am not interested. I don't want.
Sit down.
Mama, I said I am not interested. As a matter of fact, I have a woman that I am in love with. And the truth is, the reason why I've been ignoring you all this while was because I didn't want to hurt your feelings. Because of all the sacrifices you've made for me to be who I am today. But the truth is, at this point, Mama, I have to make the right choice for my relationship.
So, it is because of this one This thing here that you want to reject, the wife material 1,000 yards.
Mama, can you please stop insulting my visitor?
Bam! I love that word! I love that word that you just used. Visitor. And that is what she is. This is your wife.
Mama, she is not my wife. This is my wife. She is not my wife. This is my wife.
I can't take this.
Babe, Zara.
Babe, come. Babe.
Hey! Welcome. Hey!
Zara. Baby, please, baby, don't leave me, okay?
What do you want? You have a whole wife in there, so what do you need me for? What?
Babe, I know what this looks like, but trust me when I tell you, I am completely in the dark here.
Excuse me?
Babe, I know it feels like I'm part of what's going on, but I have no idea. Yes, when I went to the village, my mom introduced the girl to me, but I completely told her no. If I had said yes, I would not deny her now in front of my mom.
Well, you should have just said no in front of them. So why were you sugarcoating everything? Why? We're engaged, babe.
Baby, I know. But you see that girl in there? She's the reason I've not introduced us to my mom. Baby, I'm just trying to buy her some time so that my mom can get over her delusions. Baby, please.
Okay, it's fine. You have to go in there, send your mom and the girl out of your house. You just have to do it. That's the only way I'm going in there. And I'm serious about it.
What?
Sit down, nothing will happen. This is your husband's house.
But Mama, in the vex well. Hey, you should see him one make here.
There's nothing he can do. If I tell him you are his wife, you are his wife. Nothing will happen.
Okay.
Did you see that kind of a thing that was here just now?
I see her, Mama.
Eh?
She did naked.
What about her?
Hi.
Just like those small children in the village that used to say, Mommy, you want time. That is who you want me to leave my son for. God forbid. Chukwajo. To fear.
But Mama, you strong, oh. Hey, Mama.
That's why they call me Agumwan. Hey,
we don't come.
Baby, come on, you can't be serious. It's late already. I can't start sending my mom to the village by this time.
Don't care. You have to send her out.
Baby, do you want me to put my mother's life at risk? Baby, come on, think about this. It's my mother's life we're talking about here.
It means you don't love me. You have been pretending all along. You don't love me.
Okay, fine. I'll do it. I'll do that. I'll go in there and I'll do it. Okay?
Then go. Go and do it. Go and send them out.
I've heard you. Please, don't be mad at me anymore, okay? Baby, I love you. Please, okay? I'll do that.
Just go.
I will. I'm going.
Go.
I'm coming, okay?
don't worry, Nne. Just be patient, oh?
Okay, Ma.
Just be patient. I will sort everything out.
Okay, Ma.
Mama. I don't know, Mama, you guys can't sleep here this night.
Ese! Napuala. Or let me even rephrase that question. Because this is already full-blown era. When did this madness start?
Mama, can you just calm down? Please. I'm not saying you guys should start going back to the village this night. I'm saying I will lodge you guys in a hotel then.
To fear what? When my son's house is in this city, Mama, I should go to hotel and do what?
Mama, I will lodge you guys in a hotel this night, then tomorrow I'll drive you to the park.
You are sending me out of your house because of this...
Mama, her name is Zara, and she is my fiancée.
Which kind of name is that one? Sounding like Marine Kingdom name.
Mama, I don't like this. Her full name is Chizara. Zara for short.
Oh. So she threw away the chi, the most important part of the name, to leave that shaft there. Somebody that doesn't have sense is who you are telling me to consider.
Mama, stop insulting my fiancé. You have to respect me and respect my fiancé, especially under my own roof.
Yeah.
I don't...
Carry your bag.
Mama.
Come, let us go
Mama,
into
we
your
are not done.
house.
Mama, I'm still talking to you,
Let
Mama.
me see. In Abiamun, so you want to enter the boxing arena? Eh? Eh? You are coming to challenge me? Yeah. Don't be deceived by this small akmobi you have on your chest. Oh. I will put you on the ground and I will pound you like akmo. You know me.
Mama, I don't like this.
They don't call me Agowine for nothing.
Mama, have I not told you whenever you want to visit me, you let me know on time?
You just make decisions. You just come to my house. How do you just come to somebody's house without even letting the person know? Who does
Inside your
that?
husband's house.
I've told you that you want to come to my house. You let me know on time.
Babe,
I don't like this, you know. Mama, I don't like this, you know. I don't like this.
Babe, no. You're letting them stay?
Baby, just calm. Baby, you saw what just happened. What will I do? Like, I can't. Hey.
Good morning, sir.
What do I care about your stupid greeting? Who gave you the audacity to clean my house?
Now, Mama.
Mama?
Eh.
My friend, will you go and pack your things? You're going back to the village this minute. What's wrong with you?
You for first ask me where Mama dey now.
What do you mean? What are you talking about? Where is Mama?
You this thing dey where? Hey, now you come. Mama don't go village, oh.
Mama?
She go this morning, very, very early. Now she go.
Mama has gone to the village.
Mama don't go. You know hear me well. She don't go.
And she left you here.
I don't understand.
She left you here. Why? How? Like, I don't understand.
I beg. You don't do. What till they try talk? Who you think say want marry you? You see yourself, you know even fine. If you see my came. Hi. Oh God. He came fine. Now so helpful he came chest. If you see him, baby, that's the one that they call beard gang. Now him be your guy. Hi.
I see.
And so you could just touch him. Nobody could sweet you. He came fine. He good. No single hair dey your chest. See your baby, nothing dey there. Nothing there your body will go even torture me. If I even hug you, my body go pain me. So you just. I beg.
I see.
Eh.
If that's the case, why didn't you follow Mama back to the village? What the hell are you still doing in my house?
Now for say make we fit settle this whole thing. I know say you no want me. Be safe. I no want you.
What exactly are you talking about?
Now you come. You see, as this whole thing be like this, my came, he never too dey well like that. Money no dey ground. So, as Mama and my mama and your own mama, when they disturb, they say we go marry. I hear say you no want. Me self and Kokuma no want. Now say okay, what till we fit do? Make me and you now go dey play along, they go. You dey your own relationship. Me, I dey my own relationship. We go dey.
You're saying we should pretend?
Now be that. You go pretend. Me self go pretend. We go dey do like say we like ourselves. So as time they go, our own parents, so they go dey forget. Me and you come move on. You meet your own, I meet my own. By that time, I know say Kim go don gather small money and go pay for my head. Then go. Wetin be whom? Wetin dey smell you?
You know, you're not as dumb as you look, eventually.
I don't understand.
I like it. You're a genius. It's a brilliant idea.
I don't know what you mean, no. But the way your face don't take calm down, so I know say you understand what I dey talk.
I like it. I love it. I love it so much. I'm going to call my fiancée to come back ASAP. I can't wait. My goodness. Can't wait to have
no
her.
problem. Well, bro, so as this whole thing be like this now, no touching, no. May you no touch me at all.
Excuse you?
What do you mean, excuse you?
What am I touching you for?
You too, excuse
What do you have that my fiancée does not have times 2. Hello?
And she get her own. Now so myself, I get my own.
I mean, let me hear one. Yeah. What exactly do you have to entice me? What is that?
I have this.
What's this?
I have this one. No come near me, oh.
Why will I near you?
I beg, go away.
What do I want to near you?
See as your chest, it just swell up, be like puff puff.
I beg,
go away.
Let me go call my fiancée.
Hey.
Come back. What is this?
Okay, sir.
What are you talking about? If not for this, your brilliant idea now, you would have gone back to the village. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Just telling you right now. Yes! Good idea. I love it.
You get small sense.
I love it. Beautiful.
If not, what for you? He came, the plan don't enter.
So you see, baby, I wasn't lying all along. My love, I love you so much.
So, babe, the plan is to carry on like nothing happened. Until when? When is it going to end?
Babe, till our parents get to understand that we both have different love interests. They'll stop pushing us to be together. Then you and I, my love, will spend the rest of our lives together.
So that means I'm moving in back, right? Because at this point, I don't trust you. I have to be by your side.
Babe, what are you waiting for? Move in. You have the keys to my house. You have the keys to my heart, baby. It's part of the plan. All right?
Okay, that's fine. So, babe, what about her man? Is he okay with it?
Yo, babe, I don't know, honestly. But whatever she decides, I'll be in support of it 100%. That's all I can say.
Babe, but you know your mom needs to come around because there is no wedding without her.
Enough of my mom. Trust me, she will come around.
Babe, I want to get married so soon.
Baby, we will get married. We will be together.
When?
Soon. We just need time, okay?
To love is a journey.
Sit those please, God.
It's a journey. Journey of different routes and turns.
Waka,
Yeah?
thank you so much. You have been cleaning.
Yeah. The place too dirty. Now I say make her do small cleaning.
Sorry about that. So what happened is that the cleaner bored on us. So I'm still trying to look for a new cleaner. I'm sorry. But thank you so much for cleaning.
I don't understand. You and the cleaner, now they play ball. Now for which team? Now Eyimba be na super Igu, be na super...
No. That's not what I meant. Like, he left without saying anything. So I'm still trying to look for a new cleaner.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. But you, madam, you know they clean?
What can me clean? How? With my nails? I can't clean now.
You and your nails, I know they live for this house.
Waka. See, when you're done, I want you to make a spicy noodles for me. Please, okay? You can make it, Ari. Can you?
Because I won't even ask you. Me say if they catch me. Una know they chop for this house. Since morning, una just dey inside.
Okay, Waka, just make for 2. We can eat it. You know how to make noodles, Abi?
That will not be problem.
Just make it and bring it upstairs for me. Thank you.
Why she can't they shout me? Okay. You said go to make a chop. One can catch me. Come and tell me about noodles. Since morning you no talk. You no talk anything. You allow me just dey quiet. Everywhere quiet. And they say, what's happened? These people are not the job for this house. Eh? When as I come they do everything. Wow.
Baby,
A sweet mama. A sweet loving mama. How are you?
Babe.
How are you?
I'm fine. I need some money.
Money for what?
I want to get some toiletries.
Okay. So how much are we talking about here?
Just 500k. Yes.
Is that what?
Babe, see, things are expensive now. I'm serious.
Babe, what are you doing with 500k worth of toiletries?
I will just manage it. I need to buy my face soap, my body wash and all that.
Babe, what are you toileting? With 500k worth of toiletries? Are you serious?
Are you giving me or not?
Hello?
Babe, stop.
Babe, that's too
Please.
much. That's too much now. For
Please
toiletries,
now,
kidding me?
please. I need to get other things. Baby, come on now, please. It's just 500k. Baby. Baby, please.
Okay, fine.
Thank you. See why I love you. No, 500.
200,
500.
250.
Babe, stop. 500 now.
250. Babe, I'm really enjoying this food. It's so sweet.
It's just there.
What do you mean it's just there? The food is nice, like really, really nice. She can cook. Oh.
So you like it?
Yes, I'm enjoying it.
I'm done.
You done? Okay. My baby, look at you. Sexy.
Turn on the water. So I want to wash my hand.
Evan, this girl can really cook.
Babe, just to eat.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. Babe, are we not going out this weekend?
This girl no wash her plate oh. I cook food finish. I give una chop. You carry plate, come dump for me. These people don't tell me house help finish oh. Kai. He came. Now because of you now they do all this thing. Now because of you they tolerate all this rubbish.
Baby,
Yes.
I'm going to have fun today.
Yeah.
Lots and lots of fun. That's a promise, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's her name again? Babe, help me call the house help quickly.
Nwaka! Nwaka!
Can we be that?
Now you be that, come.
So, I I want you to make smoky jollof rice. Smoky jollof rice.
Okay.
You can do it, right?
Yes, no problem.
Okay.
Make it smoke where we are.
Yes.
No wahala.
Smoky jollof rice.
Jollof, smoky one.
Has to be smoky.
Okay, no problem. Una dey come out?
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye.
Back soon, okay?
Okay.
Baby.
Alright, see you when we see you.
Kai! Hey! One day, I saw me and he came. We go there our own fine house like this. We go do. We will see you later. Smoky jollof. He came and no fit wait. I dey miss you. I love sweet child. Hey! He came. Make I go do rest. He came. Hey!
Lady.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Come here. You had fun tonight, didn't you?
Yes, I do.
We actually stayed longer than we should have.
Yeah.
But it was all fun, you know? I enjoyed myself.
Same here.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright, let's go inside.
Okay.
I'd like us to have more fun inside.
Inside?
You know what kind of fun I'm talking about?
Tell me here.
You want me to show you?
Yes.
I can't tell you, but I can show you. When we get to the bedroom, I will explain proper.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
You're welcome. Welcome.
Hi.
Yeah?
How are you?
Yeah, I did fine. Make her bring food for now. I say make her bring food, Oga.
No, I'm not eating by this time. Just get me my ginger tea. I'll have that with cream crackers.
Now how help these people want to me like this? Oh? I no go gree. I no go gree.
Coffee! Hello? Hello?
Eh?
My ginger tea.
Okay. Oga. Oga,
Worker, what is it?
it be like una go dey pay me for all this work una dey carry me do so.
What are you talking about?
I say all this Jackie work what they do, you know, be for free now. Una go dey pay me. Yes, everything dey alright. Now. My plan dey go accordingly. No worry. When everything way, I go come back come meet you. We go do our wedding. My beloved. Baby, I miss you too, Jerry. Now. Na me miss you pass. Na me miss you pass again. Hey, the way I dey miss that your hair for chest there, Kai. I see now for just a torture, make it a torture me for body. And the baby time miss am. Kai, I miss you well, oh. I miss you well. You no go know. True. I swear, na me miss you past. He came.
To love is a journey. It's a journey.
Goodness.
Journey of different routes and turns.
Nwaka!
Yes, sir.
Once the heart gets on the
Welcome, sir.
right track.
How are you?
Bye, sir. Welcome.
Where is my fiancée?
The billionaire said she didn't send. I bet she come out. I'm not too sure.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Nwaka.
Sir?
Just come on, man. Here. Your salary for last month.
Eh? Hi! Hey, this one plenty. Oh, hey! Oh, this one a permanent payment. Oh, hey! Thank you, sir. Thank you. God bless you, sir.
It's fine.
Hi! It's my way. Thank you, sir.
Honey, I'm home. Babe? Hello, Mama. Good evening.
How are you people doing?
We are all fine. How are you? Nwaka is fine, Mama.
Are you sure?
Mama, I said she's fine. Were you expecting her not to be fine?
My son, don't be angry, eh? I'm just doing this for your own good.
Hi, honey.
Wait, is that my daughter-in-law's voice?
Yes, Mama. That's Nwaka.
Hey! So you have taught her all those sweet names you people used to use in the city?
Oh, what can I say? I guess we are now in love with each other.
Please let me speak to Hannam.
Is it? Okay. Nwaka. Honey!
Yes?
How are you? I want to talk to you.
Okay. Hello? Mama?
You sound so good.
Mama, good evening, ma.
I hope you are happy.
Yes. See, Mama, for my life, I never have been like this before. Yes.
Please take care of my son for me, oh?
Hey, we did try.
That means we have to start with the rest of the ceremony.
No, now, Mama, just wait small. We still dey get to know ourselves better.
Eh?
Yes, ma.
Okay, no problem. You are already in, so no shaking.
Mama.
He's even calling you honey with that sweet voice. Hey, chai! This my son like better thing and he will be pretending. I hope you know they say that one that he dressed like a mad person again that he brought to the house that day.
That one? No, since that day, I never see her face again.
Good, very good. I know that my son will like you. You people should take care of each other, oh?
Would they try?
I'll come and visit when I can.
Hey, no, Allah, not very much.
Chai, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hey, baby. Don't tell me you're frowning because of the call.
I'm fine.
Sure.
See, babe, I'm trying to show you the wedding dress. I like this one. You just start getting ready for the wedding. You're not doing anything. Why?
Babe, but we haven't fixed a date yet.
Even at that, I need to start planning now. Please. I want to call my wedding planner. Oh, come on. See this one. Sorry. See this one. Do you like it? I think I like this one. It's my first choice. I love you.
Take care. My beloved. And I miss you too.
I miss you very much. Don't worry, I will soon come. But the thing is, I know if you come now. If I come now, I go cast you safe, you know. Eh? Just hold on small for me now, eh? I miss you too.
Waka.
Obi, I dey come. Just wait first. Sir?
Why are you not using the washing machine? I thought Zara already showed you how to use it.
She showed me, but I know they totally like her like that.
And why is that?
You know they wash and wear. You see as I sit down so now, if I use hand, I go wash am, I go come on wear, go shine, pass washing machine. You know they help me like that.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suit yourself.
Okay, sir.
It's alright.
Bye-bye. You came. Yeah, I still there, yeah. Yes, now, I tell you. See all this things when they talk now, my body just say totally me, they sweet me. Now. Yeah, they come, don't worry.
So babe, I'm telling you that day was so crazy. So she came with her boyfriend, but the guy left her with another girl. I'm telling you, and they pissed her off. She started drinking. She drank and drank till she got high. And when she got high, she started misbehaving. They tried to...
Babe, I'm coming, okay? I'm coming.
To love is a journey, it's a journey of different routes and turns. But once the heart gets on the right track, it becomes a sweet journey round the moon.
Baby, are you okay? Are you okay?
Why did you have to leave this one to answer your call?
It's a family issue, that's why.
Family issue. Really? So I can't listen to your family conversation?
Babe.
But you always listen whenever I'm talking with my mom. I talk to her in your presence.
Babe, the thing is, my people always call to ask about our wedding. So I'm telling them to hold on for us. That's just it.
Oh, about that.
Yes.
But you know the reason why.
Yes, I know. But babe.
Just trust me. Trust me. We're going to get over this.
Okay.
At the end of the day, we're going to be fine. Okay?
To love is a journey, it's a journey of different routes and turns.
Baby.
Hey, babe.
How are you?
I'm good. How you doing?
I'm good. Babe, guess what?
What?
Guess now.
Come on, baby. You know I'm terrible at guessing. What is it?
I found us a wedding planner.
What?
Why are you giving me that look? See, it took me a lot to find this page. Wait, let me show you their work. You will like them. See, babe, see this one? See another one?
Babe,
Yes, you like it?
these are political events.
Babe, I know, but they're very good.
That's not the point. You don't understand. I am not in this caliber.
Babe, see.
Babe, you really expect me to hire someone that's been hired by a whole country? Are you serious right now?
Babe, this wedding is once in a lifetime. You're one of the best, please.
Babe, take. I can't do it. Please, get serious.
Babe, please, I'm begging you.
Babe,
it's our wedding.
I cannot do it.
Why?
It's going to cost a lot. A fortune.
But you have the money.
Babe, please, just find somebody else, okay?
Babe!
Find somebody else.
See, it's them I want to use, oh. Baby!
Listen, way if I no call you, tell you good night, you say if you no go call me. He came. I don't know why I could behave like this. You go hear word from my mouth today. Why the number no dey go? See the happen. I've been on network. Wait first. Yeah, I get recharge card now. Recharge card in my phone. Wow. Maybe na network. Maybe I go call them later. Maybe na network. It could be network. Maybe you see work do. There you go, network no dey. No problem. I go talk to you later. Or you go call me safe, as you know one day call me. Good night though, he came.
This guy is crazy. Are you serious?
What else?
Hold on, Waka. What? Waka.
Sir?
You know, aside the fact that I pay you for this job, you amaze me. You do this job so well. I just admire how passionate you are about the job.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, that reminds me.
Sir?
Your boyfriend.
Yes, sir.
I heard you talking to him the other day.
Yes, sir.
What does he do? If you don't mind me asking, of course.
Na carpenter he be. But he no be that kind carpenter like that.
Oh.
He dey patch zinc. He dey patch door. He dey make bench. He dey do kuji, small.
Oh, I see.
Yes, sir.
So he's into carpentry business, but he's not professional yet.
Exactly, sir.
He's still local.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
The work not too strong like that.
That's too strong.
Yeah. That's why we never marry, because money not too dey grand.
Money not to dig ground.
Yes, sir.
I see. Interesting.
Yes.
So what about you? Do you have any dreams? What do you want to do
Hey.
with your life?
Yes, sir. I get dream, oh. Get very big dream.
Okay.
Yes. When me and you came marry like this,
Yeah.
I go open mama put.
Oh,
Yes.
interesting. You mean like a restaurant? Food business? You want to go into a food business?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Yes.
That's really good.
Thank you,
That's a
sir.
good idea.
Thank you.
Wow. Well, I would like to support you.
Hey.
Yeah, I'd like to support you in your restaurant business.
Hi.
Yep.
Hey. Thank you, sir.
No worry, it's nothing. I mean, what can I say? Just my little way of saying thank you for a game well played.
Hey. Thank you, sir.
You're
God will bless you, sir.
You're welcome.
You see, when you and Zara marry, una go born fine children. Zara go born twins 4 times. You see that big dining, children go full out. Hey, thank you very much, sir. Thank you,
God
sir.
forbid. Back to sender. God forbid. Wait. 8 kids? How? Where?
Una dey reject prayer.
Please, I'm just giving birth to one son.
Babe, right?
Let me say una go trim that dining. It's too big for one pikin.
Scary serious.
Babe, you're here and she's saying this kind of prayer and you're saying nothing about it.
Babe,
Please,
relax.
I don't like it.
Come on, it's not that deep. I mean,
Sir, thank you. Thank you. God
you're
will bless you,
welcome.
sir.
So, wherever you want to start up the business, whether in the city or the village, I'll support you. I
You
got
mean now?
Yeah.
Hey, thank you, sir.
You're
Thank you very much, sir. God will bless you again.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
It's okay. You can go. You want me to spoil my shape with 8 kids?
Sorry.
So I'll spoil my shape.
Sorry.
Babe,
8.
Not bad, sorry.
Go.
Hey.
babe, calm down
I'm
now.
not ready to give birth to 8 kids.
That
So
she
what?
said it doesn't mean you will give birth to 8 kids. You just said it.
One. Once a son.
You and who is having one kid? You and who? Don't know once.
So you don't like my shape
Relax.
like this? You
One
don't like
thing
it?
you will know is once I enter and I pour like this, it's triplets.
When you pour, I know what to do.
Triplets. One shot, triplets.
It's a lie. Babe,
Yes, my love.
babe, I want to ask you for something.
Alright. What is it?
I need 6 million naira. Babe,
What? 6 million naira?
yes.
For what?
Babe, I need the money to start preparing for our wedding ahead of time. Please now.
Okay. What kind of preparations are we talking about here?
Okay. Babe, you see, I need to do BBL and breast enlargement for you, for our wedding.
You say what? What do you need BBL and breast enlargement for exactly?
Babe, come on. Babe, I want to look good for you, for us.
Listen, babe. Babe, you don't need all of that. You're perfect the way you are. You have everything 100%. You're a full spec and more. I'm satisfied with the way you are, baby. I don't need you to do anything more than this, please.
Baby, please, I want to do it. I want
Why?
to look good for you. I want to look good for myself.
You want
It's
to
my
look good
wedding.
for me. You want to look good for me, right?
Yes,
I don't want it.
I want it.
I don't want it.
Baby, I want it.
I don't want.
I am sick and tired of this rubbish. It's not the first time this is happening, and whenever I talk about it, you come up with silly excuses.
What excuses? I'm just being honest. I'm trying to tell you the truth, but you don't want to believe me. Why? Okay, wait. Can't I pick other people's calls again? Can't I?
You know that's not what I'm talking about. You know exactly what I am talking about. So don't pretend here.
You know what? I'm done with this conversation.
You're done, right? Yes, run. Run! Because you know I'm saying the truth and you're guilty of it.
Guilty of what? Guilty of what? Okay, you know what? You're just a full package of paranoid, and I'm done having this conversation with you. I'm done!
Oh, really? Me? Go! Go! Rubbish! Go! Full package of paranoia, right? It's fine. It's fine.
Love is a journey. It's a journey. Journey of different routes and turns. But once the heart gets on the right track, it becomes a sweet journey round the moon.
Welcome.
Sir?
What's wrong with you?
Oh God, I beg you, sir. Be anybody for village. If you hear me, check on my came.
And your boyfriend?
Yes, sir.
And what's wrong with your boyfriend?
I don't dey call her 1 week now. Nobody know they go.
Oh. Oh, really? That's sad.
Yes, sir. You know, be like I'm normally if I don't call me back. I don't know what's they happen. Okay.
It's okay. Just calm down. Calm down. It's okay. It's okay. That's sad. What do I do now? What do I do? Let me see. Let me see if I can call some.
Okay, sir.
You know what? You know what? Just give me some time, okay? I'll contact someone in the village to reach out to your boyfriend and check up on him. Know what's happening. I'll make sure it doesn't trace back to you.
Okay, sir.
Just relax. They'll get back to me.
Sir. Thank you.
You can go now.
No be now you want to
That's what I'm saying. I can't remember what I saved the guy's number with, so I have to go through my contact list, and it's gonna take time. That's why I said you should give me time.
Okay, I don't hear you. I don't hear you.
Yes, but don't worry, I'll do it. I'll make the call. Okay?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. I'm sorry, yeah? We're calling. Donatus. Donatus. Do I still have his number?
Hi, babe.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine.
Babe, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
Gosh, how do I get to these guys in the village now?
Your village? What's going on there? Babe, see, you need to give me information of everything happening in your village. Because I don't trust your uncles. Before they will start sending colanos to all those village girls on your behalf. I don't want stories, oh. Please.
What's that supposed to mean?
Did I lie?
No, what's that supposed to mean?
But I'm saying the truth now.
Listen, stop making fun of my uncles. I don't find it funny. I'm serious.
I beg. So tell me, what is it? What?
Nwaka's boyfriend in the village isn't reachable anymore.
Ha! How? Please, oh babe, you need to find him, oh. Before the story will start changing now. I don't have strength. Find him, oh.
That's exactly what I'm trying to do.
Babe, see, you need to find him. You need to. I want to get married soon. I want that girl to leave our house.
Baby, can you just calm down? Just calm down.
Yes? Welcome, sir.
Nwaka, how are you?
Yes, sir. Welcome, sir.
No, don't worry. Thank you. Ah, my goodness.
How work today?
Fine. You know, the usual.
Okay, you go chop now. Make I go warm your food for you.
Okay, thank you very much. Nwaka,
Sir?
can I talk to you for a second?
Okay, sir.
I have news concerning your boyfriend.
He do okay. Wetin happen? Hope say nothing do am. Oga?
Nwaka, relax. He's fine. He's doing very well.
Okay, sir.
As a matter of fact, my source told me that he's currently in the village.
So why you no dey pick my call?
I can't say for sure, But all I know is that he's hale and hearty and still going about his day-to-day business.
Have you because I did here? Maybe another woman don't take over. Oh. Hi, I'll go village.
Nwaka.
Sir?
You say you do what?
I'll go village. I'll go park now. Make her they go.
Nwaka, please. You know that's not a good idea. We have a plan and we have to stick to it. Please.
Oga, what think can be the meaning of this plan if I lose my own man? You know, get ahead. I go just go village like that.
Nwaka, wait. I understand. You're right. I get what you're saying. But the truth is, if you lose your man because you traveled for a few months, then he wasn't yours in the first place. Yes.
So what thing I go do now?
You know what? Okay, let's try calling him with a different line, my line. See what happens.
Okay, see my phone.
Yeah, just give me.
See your number here.
Okay.
Carry.
Let's see.
Copy and wear.
Relax, I got it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Hello, yes. Yes, I'm the guy you met at the park. This.
So your number they go now, you know they come, you don't know sir, they miss you when you. Hello? Okay, cut him. He came phone now. He cut the call, okay, he cut the call. What I want to
I'm sorry about that. I guess your answer lies in this.
Hey. Now because I dey here with you, you don't vex. You don't vex, now because I dey here with you. I don't go feel losing came for now. Go village and they go like
Nwaka, wait. I have nothing to do with this. You know what, please? It's not a good idea, Nwaka. You're going to jeopardize our plan. We have a plan. Let's stick to it.
Which plan? Hi. Oga, see me so now let you get plan. I no go feel losing came for now.
Nwaka.
Oga, let me.
Nwaka, just try to think things through, okay?
To love is a journey. It's a journey.
This is not good.
Journey of different routes and turns. But once the heart gets on the right track, it becomes a sweet journey round the moon. To love is a journey, journey of different routes and turns.
This boy carry this stuff like this to me. Came there to like this. My beloved.
But once the heart gets on the right track, it becomes a sweet journey round the moon.
Hello? I'm fine, and you? Yes? South Africa! Oh my god! Yes, I will go! Why not? I've always wanted to go to South Africa, you know, right? Yes! The politician? Babe, I will go. There is nothing that will make me not to be in South Africa. I'm telling you. Yes, but see, I have to tell him that I'm traveling to see my mother. That's the only way he will allow me to go. Yes, I have to lie for him to give me money. Babe, see, I just have to. Okay. So tell me, what kind of clothes does he like? Shorts, gowns, skimpy wears? Okay, skimpy. Done. I know. I can't wait. Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you. All right. Okay. South. Babe. Babe, how long have you been here?
Long enough to have had more than enough.
Babe, it's not what you think. I can explain.
How dare you?
I can explain. Relax.
How dare you?
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. I can explain. I'm sorry, please.
You're sorry, eh? You're sorry. Just like the other guy?
No, guy? No, there is no guy. I swear, there is no guy. I was just talking to my friend. I was just talking to my girlfriend. Babe, there is no guy.
There is no guy?
Yes, baby, I'm sorry.
Get out of this place.
Baby, please.
Listen
baby,
to me.
please, baby.
Go in there, pack all your things, and get the hell out of my house.
Baby, please, I was just talking to my girlfriend. You can see it. Baby, please.
What did I ever do to you?
Baby.
What did I ever do to you?
Baby.
All I've done is love you and give you my heart. What did you do in return? What did you do in return? Why? How did you do this to me?
Baby, I'm sorry.
Sarah, how did you do this?
I love you. Please, baby, I'm sorry.
Pack your things and get out of my house.
Please, I can't live without you.
I don't want to hear a single thing. I don't want to hear it.
Baby, please.
Pack your things
Baby, no, I
and
can't.
get out.
Baby, please, I can't go. Please. Baby, please, I'm begging you. Please, baby. Babe, please, baby, please.
To love is a journey, journey of different routes and turns. But once the heart gets on the right track, it becomes a sweet journey round the moon. To love is a journey, journey of different routes and turns. But once the heart gets on the right track, it becomes a sweet journey round the moon. Love is a refreshment that every heart desires. When two hearts beat as one, true love blossoms. Love is a refreshment that every heart desires. When two hearts beat as one, true love blossoms. Love is a refreshment that every heart desires. When two hearts beat as one.
Who is that?
Oga na me o. I don't serve you food. The day dining.
I'm not hungry.
But Oga, since yesterday you never chop oh.
Nwaka, I said I am not hungry. Don't bother about me. Just go on with your whatever it is you're doing. I'm not just hungry.
Oga, no. But since yesterday, my mind never rests. You for chop this one. Even if na ginger tea, make I do am for you. Make my mind for cool down small.
Nwaka, I said I am not hungry. Can you leave me alone?
Oga, come chop oh. I don't cook the food. The hot well. Come eat and me go good. Oga, still there here oh. Sir.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, sir.
I'm coming.
I dey wait oh.
I said I am coming.
Oga, you dey move so? If that food go, I go warm am again. Oga, I dey wait oh. Sir. Hey, it's Inoko. Just small, if the water hot. Make you know. Sorry. That one go do you. Make I help you. The tea no too small. You go do you. Yes. Sir, wetin Madam Zara do wey you just dey vex anyhow? Since you just dey vex, you just strong face, you no gree chop, you just... Sorry. Oga, I dey inside. When you finish chop, make I come pack plate, go kitchen, go wash. Just call me when you finish, sir. You know what?
To love is a journey, it's a journey, journey of different routes and turns. But once the heart gets on the right track, it becomes a sweet journey round the moon. To love is a journey, is a journey, journey of different routes and turns. But once the heart gets on the right track, It becomes a sweet journey round the moon. Love is a refreshment that every heart desires. When two hearts beat as one, true love blossoms. Love is a refreshment that every heart desires.
Mwaka.
Yes, sir.
When two hearts beat as one, true love blossoms. Love is a refreshment
Sir?
that every heart desires.
Take the money on the table. You can go back to the village now. Go and check up on your boyfriend. I hope you guys are able to sort out whatever it is that's going on. And don't worry, I'll still support you in your restaurant business idea. But your work here is done, okay? You can go now.
Oga, no be say I no want the money. I want them. But I no feel leave you like this now. You don't see yourself for mirror. Your face just tight. You dey vex. You no look okay at all. I no feel leave you like this go now. Eh? You no good. My conscience no go even gree me rest. So I no go. I think say you don't chop finish now. They come and make a come pack plate. Now I rush they come. You never even finish. Since now that one bread you still dey chop. Now still dey there so. Chop oh. Chop. When I ready go, you go even add on top this money. Me I go carry and go. Oga chop oh. When you finish, call me. Ma carry plate, go wash fridge. Thank you, sir. I know they go anywhere. I dey inside room.
I dey come.
Madam Zara, welcome.
Thank you.
How you doing now?
I'm fine. Please, where's Amadi?
He know the house. I been wan even ask you. Wetin happen? Na so I ask her, you no gree tell me anything. Wetin happen? I know say you no be my business. But na because I dey concerned.
So where is he? Because I've been trying to call him. He's not picking or replying my messages.
I don't know. But this one way he just the vex anyhow. Wetin you do?
Maka, I stepped out. It was a mistake.
I don't understand. No be that day where he asked me say where you dey. I can't tell and say I don't know whether you come out or you dey inside. But why men say they quick vex these days? Any small thing they go just vex, they no go gree chop food again. They go shout. Wetin happen?
You see?
Hey, I see him.
Maka. Maka, I cheated.
Eh?
It was once.
Hey!
Maka, it was a mistake now.
What did you miss at once? You know see now if when kerosene just touch soup, then the soup don't scatter. Now be once be that. Mistake now when you dey waka, you hit leg for stone. Your leg go pain you say, my leg. Now be mistake. No be when you come out from house, you leave man, go meet another man. Hey!
Maka, see, honestly, it was a mistake. That's why I'm here to beg him now. I'm sorry.
You get mind, Madam Sarah. You get mind. You wicked. See, I still love him.
Hey! Hi!
That one no be love be that though. Hey, this one don't pass me. Nothing I feel do.
Please, I can't live without him. I can't live without my man. Please, you need to help me.
I be this I go help you beg. But see me, so this one pass my power.
Oh, come on.
Eh? Ikem. Hello? My beloved. So you don't finally do you to call me? Eh? You know say I don't miss you way. You say waiting? Eh? How? What do you mean say you don't carry my money go give another woman? You carry woman, they go where? What you they talk? He came if now you no go better for you. Your papa. You dey grace. What do you they talk? He came if now don't joke with me. I better carry my money go give me back. Go he came if now. Hello? Hello? Hey! Hey! Hey, he came if now you no go kill me. Oh, he came if now. Hey, I don't mess up. Hey! He go marry another guy. Hey, my chest. Oh, my chest. Hey, what's I want to? What's I want to? How was that? Hey, he gave me food now. He gave me food now. Hey, you didn't go there, no, they go again. No. I don't die. I don't die. Hey. Oh. Careful, my beloved. Oh.
Walker. Are you okay?
Yes, good morning, sir.
Morning. I wanted to leave, but I didn't see you.
Oh, okay.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir, I sleep too much. No vex, I beg.
I can't hold that against you. You must be tired from work, and me too. I've been a handful recently. I'll be leaving for work now, okay?
Okay, sir.
Please come and lock up.
Ikemefuna. So you get this kind of wickedness inside you. And I don't know. Kai. Man, wicked. I mean you do like this, Ikem. I mean you can't do like this. After I don't believe in
Good morning. Your food already.
I'm not hungry.
Ah.
Come and close the door.
To love is
Why?
a journey.
Why you
It's a journey. Journey of different routes and turns. But once the heart gets.
Baby. Baby. Why are you giving me attitude? Why? Why?
I'm not giving you attitude, Zara.
But you still love me. Tell me. Do you? Babe. Look at me. Answer me. Do you still love me? Babe.
Welcome. Welcome. Please, I would like you to make me freshly made juice, okay?
Same here. Look at me. Baby, look at me.
What?
I was asking you something. Do you still love me? Just answer.
Zara, I'm not in the mood for this right now, please.
I'll be right back. I'm coming, okay?
Okay.
Mwaka, are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So add strawberries to the fruits you are bringing, okay?
Okay. Ma. Una, don't come back.
Obviously. So hold on. Were you expecting me to leave my man for someone else? You can't be serious. Please bring the fruits.
To love is a journey. It's a journey. Journey of different routes and turns. But once the heart gets on the right track, it becomes a sweet journey round the moon.
Baby. Baby, are you okay? I'm talking to you. Are you okay?
What?
Are you okay?
Yeah, sure.
Are you sure? Yeah. Okay, I'm coming. Let me get my phone.
To love is a journey. Is a journey. Journey of different routes and turns. But once the heart gets on the right track, it becomes a sweet journey.
Sir, I want to ask her if she wants ice inside the juice.
She went upstairs to get something.
Okay.
Welcome.
Sir. Yes,
Nwaka,
sir.
what's wrong with you? Are you okay?
I did fine, sir. Don't worry.
Nwaka, it doesn't sound that way to me. Your voice is shaking.
You know they shake. I did okay. Just go upstairs. Go sleep. Night don't do.
Listen, Nwaka, I can't go upstairs. You're not alright. Listen, I'm coming inside now, okay?
No, coming, dog. I just know where
Mwaka.
Sir.
Mwaka, you've not been yourself lately. What is happening?
No, don't worry yourself. You said you get your own way they do you. Don't worry. No, don't
Mwaka,
worry.
let me see.
Don't worry, I do alright.
Mwaka, look at me, please. Are you serious?
I don't do alright. I don't do alright at all.
Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Thank you.
Mwaka, what is it? What happened? Please talk to me.
Now he came here for now.
Your boyfriend? Okay, what is he okay? What happened to him?
You don't go give another girl belly for village. You tell me what I do, okay? You think?
Oh no. Are you serious?
You see me, this is how they play for you. Which girl question be that?
Hey, it's okay, sorry. But how did you know all this?
He called me for phone. He tell me say he quickly go pay bride price so that the belly for no cast for village. Now me I don't even know how they do that. I don't tire like this.
This is just unbelievable. But you said you didn't have money or stuff like that for your bride price.
Yeah, I be not tell you.
How did they now get money to pay for her bride price?
Now they tell you now. I know say I don't tell you, but all the salary wey they pay me, I mean they send her for her, making they save her for our own wedding. Now the money you carry go. Hey, I don't lose it care. I don't lose the money, my joy.
Hey, sorry.
It's what I do now.
I'm so sorry. It's okay. Trust me. I know how it feels. So you mean you've been giving him your salary all this while? I'm so sorry about that, okay? Trust me, I know how you feel. I totally understand.
They pay me well.
I know.
It's a good do now. It's a good do.
You'll be fine. Trust me.
Hey.
Trust me, I know how it feels. I know how it feels to be betrayed by someone you love so much.
He pay me well.
It's okay. Wipe your tears, okay? It's okay, wipe your tears. Sorry. Look at me. It's okay. Alright? Let's be strong. Just know that I'll always be here for you. Always. You've been here for me all this while. And now it's my turn to take care of you. And I will do that. Okay? It's okay. The other night was a mistake. It shouldn't have happened. I hope we can put that behind us and, get back to our work relationship. I'm really sorry about that. And please, it won't happen again. Don't worry, I'll still support you and take care of your dreams, whatever it is. Please. Thank you.
Mwaka, are you okay?
Hey, I do fine. I do okay. I've been ask you if you want ice inside the juice.
Yes, add ice.
Okay.
Okay, just leave it. I'll take it later. You're fine, right? Babe. Babe, what's going on? Baby! What? What is it?
Why do I keep thinking about her? How? Mwaka. Nothing.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You can talk to me, you know. Baby.
Nothing. Everything is okay.
Are you sure?
To love is a journey, it's a journey, journey of different routes and turns. But once the heart gets on the right track, it becomes a sweet journey round the moon. To love is a journey, is a journey, journey of different routes and turns. But once the heart gets on the right track, it becomes a sweet journey round the moon. Love is a refreshment that every heart desires. When two hearts beat as one, true love blossoms. Love is a refreshment that every heart desires. When two hearts beat as one, true love blossoms. Love is a refreshment that every heart desires. When two hearts beat as one, true love blossoms. Love is a refreshment that every heart desires.
Welcome, sir.
Mwaka,
Sir?
what is the meaning of this?
Oh, I wan go back village. As our plan no work, no need where I go stay. I say make I dey go back village. Now you are dey wait for. If na for, don't go back since.
What? No. Mwaka, go back to the village.
Yes, sir.
No, you can't do that. Please. Not until I tell you my feelings for you.
Eh?
Mwaka,
Sir?
I've been trying to hide these feelings for a long time now. Because I thought maybe it's a brotherly affection. But I was wrong. Mwaka, I have deep affections for you. Yes. And it's so clear to me now that Zara and I have broken up.
You and Zara don't break up again.
What do you mean again?
She tell me say una come back now. That day when she come, I be ask her. She say yes.
What do you mean again? We never made up. And what? Was that what she told you? Hell no. Listen, she came that day to apologize for what she did. And I forgave her. But I told her that, made it clear to her that we won't come back together. Maybe because I gave her audience and she was all over me, she felt maybe we had a chance. But no, I'm so done with her.
No.
Moka, is that why you've been giving me attitude all this while? Is that why you want to go back to the village? Oh, come on. Moka, please.
See, me I no go lie for you. The truth be say, I dey feel you die. I don't hide and saute my heart one burst inside.
Your heart won't burst inside.
Yeah.
Come here. Does your heart won't burst inside? Your heart won't burst inside. Look at me. Fine girl. Okay, listen. I know I don't have hairs on my chest.
At all.
I know. And I know I'm not a beard gang. You're looking at me. But please, Nwaka, be my girlfriend. I'm making this official, even though my parents have gone to meet your parents in the village for marriage. Please be my girlfriend.
See, as it be so, I want to agree sharp. But the thing be say...
But what? But what?
You know, say, you dey well educated. And me, I know too good.
And so, what are you talking about? Come here. Listen, I know a lot of people with master's degree that still run restaurants. It's all about your passion for the job.
That one day.
And I trust you. I know you're going to thrive in that business. And as for your communication skills, don't worry. I got you. I'll get a coach to come tuition you up. Okay? You have nothing to worry about.
Okay.
All I know is that I don't want to lose you.
Hey.
I don't want you to go back to the village.
Yeah. Okay, I don't hear you.
See, I see this smile. Make I tell you something.
It's...
I dey feel you too.
Hey. We dey feel
dey
ourselves. See,
Yeah.
you see this again. You know much, but go manage am like that.
Abby, come here. You know where?
Give me a kiss again.
It's a journey of different roots and but once the heart gets on the right track, it becomes a sweet journey round the moon. To love is a journey, is a journey.